Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to apply for Kroger jobs online. Ladies and gentlemen, the first thing we need to do is visit Kroger's official career site. So navigate to krogerfamilycareers.com, and here you can access all of the jobs that you need, and that's all posted nationwide. So this portal is very user-friendly, and it's also mobile responsive, which allows you to apply from your mobile device and your desktop. So now, once you have jumped onto the site, you can use advanced filters to narrow your search by location, department. This could be grocery, retail, pharmacy, supply chain, corporate, then job type, and then your experience level to find the perfect match. This will just filter everything down so that you're not looking through a bunch of jobs that don't actually apply to you. You can now register for a free account, save your profile, upload your resume. You'll have a few options to upload your resume, so you can upload a resume or you can import it from Indeed. You can also import it from LinkedIn. You can now set job preferences and receive personalized email alerts when new positions match your criteria and become available. Go ahead and fill out your personal information, your detailed work history, education credentials, and answer job-specific questions. This, of course, should be done honestly and to the best of your ability. And then just something to note, that most entry-level roles require a high school diploma or equivalent, while their more specialized positions may need additional certifications. So read through the job description and see what it is that they require. After submitting your application, monitor its status through your personalized dashboard. You'll also receive updates via email at each stage of the hiring process, from the initial review to the interviewing scheduling. And Kroger's hiring process typically includes phone screening and in-person interviews, so be prepared to discuss your customer service experience, teamwork abilities, and also your career goals. Background checks and drug tests are also standard for most positions, so just keep that in mind.